YouTube SEO. So let's discuss how you can rank your videos more effectively by using SEO, or better known as search engine optimization. YouTube is just obviously owned by Google. Google is the largest search engine on the planet. Search engine optimization is basically the term to get your content or your video, if it's on YouTube, to rank higher for search terms. So obviously if I'm on YouTube right now and I just type in YouTube SEO, right, you're going to see things that pop up here. And obviously the first one is an ad. The next one has 73,000 views, talks about SEO and so forth. This one has 475,000 views, but this is within the ranking of this. And how do you get videos to rank for your content, your specific niches and so forth? So then they attract more subscribers, more views, more watch time. So let's start off first is you want to find what you want to rank for. So a search term. So the first thing search term is, let's just say YouTube SEO. It could be makeup, it could be basketball drills, could be how to do a layup, it could be how to be the best shooter, how to walk in high heels, how to tie a tie, who knows, whatever your niche is, gaming, whatever. This is how to first get started ranking a video. You want to find a high-end content that has typically a longer tail keyword. If you're new to YouTube, you want to focus on that versus a bigger, harder to rank term. So for example, when I type in YouTube, the easiest way to find terms to do videos on is just type in here YouTube SEO. So then it comes up different things that you can rank for in videos you can create. YouTube SEO software, YouTube SEO Neil Patel, which he's a well-known marketer, YouTube SEO tools, YouTube SEO 2021, popular YouTube tags, search engine optimization, Google, YouTube SEO tag, and you get it. So anything you type in here first helps you find that. So when you want to rank, you just type in YouTube SEO or whatever. Let's go makeup, and you can do makeup tutorial classes on makeup classes on YouTube. So you can start by creating different videos for this topic to start ranking for those keywords. Next, you have obviously the YouTube title. So in here, YouTube SEO basics, how to get your YouTube videos to appear in YouTube search. Let's click on it so we actually can read the full thing. In YouTube search, the content bug. So it's a little branding, all that stuff in there. The next one, YouTube SEO, how to rank #1 in YouTube. So obviously in your title, you want to put your keywords in there or key phrases and things that will help that rank. Also in this one, it has YouTube SEO, how to rank #1 in YouTube. So things that are related to the keywords, ranking #1, YouTube SEO, right? All those things are important. Then when you write the description of that video, you want to, again, add those keywords, key phrases that would appear, as well as when you talk in your video, because yes, Google can understand what you are saying. They do their transcription service, all that stuff. So when you talk about YouTube SEO, search engine optimization, ranking on YouTube, certain topics and keywords and key phrases, that video now will start ranking for those things. The other one is your tags. So your YouTube tags. When you create YouTube tags, it's basically telling YouTube, no different on your meta tags from search engine optimization, it's telling what you want that video to rank for. So when you create new content, you're like, hey, I want it ranked for YouTube SEO, ranking #1 on YouTube, and so forth. So cool little tools you can use that I highly recommend. I'm going to show you the free version. Obviously, I use paid versions. Paid versions are great. I have an affiliate links down at the bottom in the descriptions. If you sign up for, awesome. But two tools that are really awesome for helping you with your YouTube SEO are TubeBuddy and vidIQ. So if you come up here, and they're already installed on here. So I'm going to show you the vidIQ in here. I'm going to click here and go to keyword inspector, right? So let's just type in YouTube SEO. Right? And then I can hit search. And like I said, I'm not logged into my account, so I'm not, this is a free version. The free version will help you. The paid version will help you even more. So you can see right now is YouTube SEO search volume to 252,000 basically. YouTube SEO tutorial 10,386. YouTube SEO 2020 and YouTube SEO tips. So these things all rank, and obviously each one of them are beneficial to add in the description as well as can use in the title. If I focus on YouTube SEO, I'm obviously going for the biggest one right off the bat. If you're a new channel, you don't have as much traffic on your site, you might want to focus on something that gets less traffic, like YouTube SEO 2020. The search volume is lower, so it's easier to rank for. So once you start getting ranking for that, then it will be easier to start trying to get ranking for larger terms and then growing your channel much faster. Another tool you can use, well, let me focus on that you can use is TubeBuddy. So you come in here, this is also on here. So TubeBuddy, it is, there's also a paid version, like I said, affiliate links. You can check out down below. It's $10 a month, which is an amazing deal. So let's do same thing, YouTube SEO, and you're gonna see the Explorer. And each of these tools have great features. I like both of them. This one's really cool because it shows you like the poor versus very good search volume, right? What's going on, the weighted versus unweighted and so forth. Obviously, you have to upgrade when you want those results. But here you can see which videos are ranking and the thumbnails are using. So it gives you a lot of good information that you can utilize to start promoting your channel more effectively. So these are great things. Another tool, obviously this is a free tool. It's called the Keyword Planner. So if you have a Google Ads account, you can log in and type in certain keywords. Here I typed in YouTube SEO. So obviously if I want to rank for that, just hit get results. You come down here and you can see how many searches a month are coming in. 5,400 YouTube SEO tools, 590. So obviously that's an easier one to start ranking for. YouTube keyword research 720 and so forth. So again, you can see all the videos that I can create along this topic just to start getting ranking and get tons of views and start driving my channel as the source or authority when it comes to ranking videos on YouTube. So again, the three things when you're on your YouTube channel, you want to focus on your title, your description, and your tags. So those are really important. Like I said, when you're using TubeBuddy or vidIQ, they will recommend tags that will be more effective that you can use in your description as well as in your title. As well as you want to speak about what you're talking, what you want your video to rank for, as in search engine optimization, ranking #1 on YouTube, increasing your traffic on YouTube, ranking your videos in search engines, and so forth, right? So I've already threw out a bunch of key phrases now that will hopefully get this video ranked even higher. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, and I'm happy to answer anything that can help you rank your videos more effectively and drive traffic to your channel. If you're interested, I have created a YouTube course. It's related on how to drive business using YouTube as your source of an organic traffic to drive leads, customers back to what you have, what you offer in your business. YouTube is a very powerful source to use as a search engine to drive traffic, build an authority, build credibility, trust, position yourself as an expert. I have an entire course teaching you how to do that, teaching you how to capture those leads, how to convert them, how to move them from a prospect to a customer. And that's all in my YouTube course. You can go check that out. The links are below. I also have free training you can look at and check all that stuff out. Like I said, the affiliate links. The course also has a handful more SEO hacks that I didn't mention here that are kind of secret little tips and tricks to really get your videos to rank even higher. So if you want that information, obviously you can go and get that course. You can also go and watch my free YouTube content that I offer, talking about how you can really effectively use this to drive sales for your business. If you want that, just go and click the link below and check that out. If you have any questions on ranking your videos and getting more traffic with YouTube, like I said, leave comments below. You can like and subscribe to the channel if you want, if you got valuable information from this. But hopefully this will help you rank your videos more effectively. And like I said, the tools that you want to start using is when you just come in and type here, create videos on that, use a keyword planner in here. You do have to sign up an account for Google Ads. Obviously you can create an account, you can create an ad and then turn it off so you never actually spend any money. But then you get access to keyword planner, which where you'd go into tools here, come up into keyword planner once you're logged into the Google Ads account. And then the two tools within YouTube itself are, like I said, vidIQ here, and then TubeBuddy here. And you can see when I type those in, the search term here, highest amount of views, average views, subscribers, so forth. And then the TubeBuddy one, the volume out of here, out of 100, top channels for the search term, so forth. So it gives you a ton of information. Like I said, the free ones are awesome. If you're starting with YouTube, just start with that. But like I said, it's only $10 a month for one of them, $20 for both of them. I highly recommend you just purchase one of them. Like I said, I have affiliate links. It'd be great if you use those, if they're at the bottom of the description. And if you have any other things that you want to rank for and drive traffic to your business, like I said, I have a course on that. I'm happy to help you on any of all that. But again, the last things, your title, description, your meta tags, and then obviously creating a really solid thumbnail will help your videos get clicked, and then create engaging more content that will get your videos to be watched. So hopefully this was helpful, and I wish you all the best. Take care.